Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be reviewing Nova Hair Dye Shampoo. So if you go to Amazon and search for the product here, you can actually see this about item page. So they claim a lot of things here. So 100% gray hair coverage can effectively cover gray hair. They also claim that it is safe and effective. It is 3-in-1 rich in natural botanical formulation. I don't know what that is. So they also claim that it is also easy and fast, requiring no bowl or brush, just need to put on gloves. So just put on gloves and then apply it directly to your hair. So they also claim that it has gentle herbal formula ingredients. Okay, so it is natural plant formula, strengthen the hair roots, make the hair strong and soft. They also claim that you can save time and money, and to stop spending a lot of time and money going to the salon. Okay, this is what they claim. Of course, they won't say anything negative about their product. However, we head over to Reddit here. I found this post by Our Hair Dye. So they asked if does the original Nova Hair Dye shampoo work, and a lot of comments seem to disagree. So let's read them. So right here, the first one said doesn't work at all, total scam. And then right here, it also says doesn't work, refuse to refund, scam of a company. It is very suspicious. All of the commenters in this thread have only one post and zero karma. Okay, maybe it's not true. So another customer said it does work, very satisfied with the product. Receive the product from a week ordering, should buy and use. So another one said it works, no idea if mine is original. And a lot of mixed reviews. However, one problem with this is that you don't know if they're selling here is the original one. So you might want to do some research before buying. You want to make sure that you're buying the original one, not the fake one, so that you won't be scammed. So if it doesn't work for you, doesn't mean that it doesn't work for everyone. So maybe your hair, everyone's hair is different. So just go ahead and try yourself. However, try it with caution and do some research before buying. So yeah, that is it. That is Nova Hair Dye Shampoo. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.